they're starting to blow. Here we go. One of the first movies I ever watched was Horton Hears a Who. And I can remember being really little and just thinking, well, doesn't everybody understand this? Like, and being just so sad that nobody believed that there was this other small microcosmic world on this dust ball and that nobody would listen to Horton. And I cried and cried and cried. Like the despair of the universe swallowed me whole. So these little beauties letting go of their seeds. Beauties, well, they're thistles. The bumblebees love them, though. Really good food for the bumblebees. And the butterflies. Usually there's, oh, but yep, there's a butterfly right there.